everyone. I'm Cheryl Hamilton, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Maui, and I want to show you what I'm offering in my Funfold class to go this month. It's called a triangle pocket card, and if you order the kit, you will get all the things that you need to make 3 different cards in there. You do need to do your own stamping though. So the first one is using this really gorgeous paper, Seaside Bay, and it has like a little triangle fold and the card opens up and that's where you write everything. This one has, with the Seaside Bay, you'll get these little gold foil things I've die cut out, and this one's really cute. It's a little oyster and has a little pearl in it, and I've done some embossing in here. I'll also give you some Designer Series paper in case that's cut into this shape in case you wanted that on the inside. Another one is this little bird. So this was just a generic card and cute little bird, and they do have a little envelope or a little section in here that if you wanted to, you could stick a message or a gift card or something. The third card uses some really pretty paper, and one of my favorite stamps, the ginkgo branch. Can't remember what this paper is called. It's on here someplace. Let me see. Fancy Flora. Isn't that pretty colors? So that, and then the ginkgo branch, you'll get all these die cuts here, and that's where you write your message. So I would love it if you guys would buy one of the kits. If you get the whole thing and I mail it to you, it's $25. If you get a kit and live on Maui, it's $20. And if you just want the PDF to get all the instructions and video, it's $10. Okay, thanks so much.